Lord Shiva said, Dharme tirte cha devado raksha tvam agat itaha yad buddhir nishtitam krishne kritam tad pratamam smitam. This is level 1. This is stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. So stage 1 of shelter. The conviction or belief that following religious principles, going on pilgrimages, dharma tirte devado, and worship of the demigods will protect one from the reactions of past sins is considered the initial stage of surrender to Krishna. Pratamasharanam. Pratamasharanam. So there's three characteristics of this initial stage of sharanam. So I'm surrendered because I believe that I'm surrendered to God. I believe that following religious principles is a good thing. I should not eat meat, and I should not gamble, and I should tell the truth, and these are religious principles. I should not get intoxicated. And I should go to holy places. I should go to Radhakund. I should go to Vrindavan. I should bathe in Kumbh Mela. I should fast on Ekadasi. Going on pilgrimages and worship of demigods will protect me from reactions to my sins. So this is the beginning level. So it's pretty motivated shelter, motivated surrender. But at least it's going in the right direction. Tirtha yatra, religious principles, and worship of higher powers, of deva puja. Now this is the second stage of surrender, sharanam. Kalatra putra mitreshu, dane geha gavadishu, yan mamatva shrayam krishne kritam tan madhyamam sritam. This is the madhyam level, middle road, average. The conviction that one shall give to Lord Krishna one's wife, children, friends, wealth, cows, and other things that are one's property is considered the intermediate stage of surrender to Krishna, stage number 2, madhyama sharanam. Kalatra means wife, putra means children, mitreshu means friends, dana means wealth, geha means house, and gavadishu means beginning with my cows and other wealth. Mamatva shrayam krishna kritam. You think he has mamata. Mamata means a sense of possession, ownership, that Krishna is mine, that my Lord, oh my sweet Lord, my Lord Krishna, my Lord Ram, oh Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna. So he has a conviction and a sense of possessiveness of the Lord. And he feels that what he has, the possessions he has actually are possessions of God. I belong to God, my wife belongs to God, my house belongs to God. Conviction or belief that one's family and all the people connected with him and his wealth and other things, all his property, they should be offered to the Lord. I am a servant of God, my wife is a servant, and this property has been given to me by His grace, and should all be dedicated and offered to Him. This is the second level of surrender. So this is more personal and more correct understanding in terms of philosophy that actually, and what is it? It's all His. Everything's His mercy, it's all been given by Him, so it should be offered to Him. The first level of surrender is just, let me get free from my sins. I don't want to suffer. Sins make you suffer, and punya makes you enjoy. Punya karma gives you happiness, health, beauty, long life, money, fame, name. That's punya karma, punya phal. But papa karma, papa phal, simple activities give sinful reaction, ugly body, disease, allergies, difficulties, bad teeth, bad eyes, bad ears, not much money, poor education, improper family situation. So these are different types of results of bad karma. So the first level of surrender, pratama sharanam, these 3 levels of surrender, this is basically selfishly oriented, that I have these sinful reactions and I want to avoid them. So I'll go on pilgrimage, I'll follow religious principles, and I'll worship the demigods because I want to be protected from any sinful reactions. But the other one, the second level, the madhyam, or the second stage of surrender, which is higher, is that I want to dedicate my wife, family, everything. I have mamata, Bhagavan mamata. I have a feeling of that Krishna, God or Bhagavan is mine, that I belong to God, and all my property, whatever property I have in my hand, wealth, cows, house, or property, and my personal possessions, my wife and my children, Kalatra Putra, Mitreshu, my friends, my dear wife and children, they are also actually possessions, they belong to God. Although I don't have possessive feelings for them, I feel possessive feelings for God, so I'm surrendering to God and encouraging them to do the same. So this is a more selfless mood of surrender, that you're not so selfish. I am suffering for my sins, so let me worship demigods, go on pilgrimages, and follow religious principles, and follow Ekadasi, because it says if you do all these things, you get free from sins, you become happy and healthy and all these things. So that's the second level of surrender. So now, let's stage 3 of surrender. Dehadavatmano yavad atmatva shayanadiyat tat sarvam Krishna padabje kritam shreshtam prakirtitam. The conviction or belief, firm belief, that one shall place at the Lord Krishna's lotus feet one's very self, one's body, and everything one possesses is called Shreshta, the highest stage of surrender to Krishna. This is the highest stage of surrender. This is Parinishtitam, firm conviction. Like the second one, what's the difference? The second one, it says that he believes I should give to Krishna my wife, friends, wealth, other things that are one's property. So it's very interesting. He's giving everything but himself. In the second stage of surrender, he has wife and property, house, wealth, animals. He thinks, actually, all these persons, my wife, children, friends, my money, cows, it's his. It belongs to Krishna. I should dedicate them to Krishna. I should give them to Krishna. But he doesn't say anything about I should give myself. Fully dedicate my mind, body, words, everything. So now, then this final level, Shreshtam means the topmost, the perfection. And now he's saying, the other one is I should give to Krishna Kritam, I should engage them or offer them to Krishna. Here he's saying that I should Tat Sarvam Krishna Padabje Kritam. Krishna Kritam. Here he's saying I should put my head at Krishna's feet and my possessions at his lotus feet. Padabje, lotus feet. My body and everything I possess is called Shreshta. So that means it's 100% surrender. Mantan, Dan, Krishna Samarpan. So this is the highest stage.